In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Zoho CRM for sales teams. We'll walk through the very first steps you need to take when you open Zoho CRM so you and your team can quickly get oriented and start managing your sales pipeline more effectively. First, open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. This is the main login page for Zoho's CRM platform. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in with your usual credentials. If you're new to Zoho, you'll need to create an account first by following the sign-up prompts on screen. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Zoho CRM home interface, which might show a dashboard or a default module view depending on your setup. Today, I'll show you how to get to the key sales areas inside Zoho CRM. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu that contains different sections of the CRM. Here, you want to find and click on the Sales tab. This tab is essentially the entry point for everything your sales team will use day to day. Once you click the Sales tab, Zoho CRM will open up a collection of modules that are specifically designed for sales workflows. I'm going to walk you through how to understand what you're seeing here because getting familiar with these modules early on makes the entire setup much smoother. Along this area, you can navigate between leads, contacts, accounts, deals, forecasts, documents, and campaigns. Think of these as different buckets where your sales information is organized. Leads are typically your raw, unqualified prospects. These might be people who filled out a form on your website or attended a webinar. The leads module is where your team can store new inquiries before deciding whether they're worth pursuing. Contacts are the individuals you've qualified and want to build a relationship with. When a lead becomes serious, you usually convert it into a contact. This helps keep your database clean and separates early prospects from real opportunities. Accounts represent the companies or organizations you do business with. An account can have multiple contacts linked to it, so if you work with several people at the same company, they all roll up under a single account record. Deals, sometimes called opportunities, are where you track potential sales. Each deal usually has a value, a stage in your pipeline, and an expected close date. This module is especially important for managers who want to see what revenue is in the pipeline. The forecast module helps your sales team plan ahead. It uses your deals and their stages to estimate future revenue and performance. This is useful for goal setting, reporting, and understanding whether your team is on track. Documents is the place where you can store and share sales-related files like proposals, contracts, and brochures. Keeping these inside Zoho CRM helps your team work from a single source of truth instead of hunting through folders or email. Finally, campaigns is where you can manage marketing and outreach efforts that support your sales process, such as email campaigns or events. Linking campaigns to leads and contacts helps you see which initiatives are actually driving results. As you start using Zoho CRM with your sales team, spend a bit of time clicking through each of these sections. Even a quick run-through will help you understand how your data is structured and where each piece of information should live. That's all you need to get started with setting up Zoho CRM for your sales team. At a basic level, go to crm.zoho.com, click the Sales tab on the left, and familiarize yourself with the core modules that power your sales workflow.